Welcome to today's edition of the OPEX Minute, presented by EMS Consulting Group. Today, we will be talking about an important concept within lean and operational excellence: continuous flow. One of the 5 principles of lean identified in the classic book, Lean Thinking, was make value flow. This is an important concept because it lies at the heart of delivering value to the customer. As you may have heard from us before, if a company has truly adopted lean practices, it is continuously working toward delivering a defect-free product or service to the customer when it is needed and in the right quantity. So what is continuous flow? Continuous flow is a concept that involves working to the pace or heartbeat of the customer. This pace or heartbeat is known as takt time. For example, to achieve continuous flow in a process that requires 1 unit every minute, a continuous flow process must be able to work at that pace, completing 1 unit each minute. In manufacturing, continuous flow is typically achieved when processes are highly capable, highly reliable, and scalable to takt time. We might think of an automobile assembly line or a U-shaped cell that runs continuous flow. In administrative work, it is difficult to achieve true continuous flow when there are multiple people and operations involved. However, by cross-training folks and having one person perform multiple sequential operations without delay in between them, some degree of continuous flow can be achieved as well. Now, what if you can't implement continuous flow? Many times this is the case, and we will have a future OPEX Minute covering the types of pull systems you can put in place where continuous flow might not be feasible. If you have an interest in learning more about continuous flow, visit our website at www.emsstrategies.com and contact us. We would be happy to help.